Today, I am going to break down 5 AI side hustles you can do with no money. These can potentially make you hundreds to thousands of dollars a day. I will begin with the easiest AI side hustle. Number 1 is photo colorization. Black and white photos have their own charm, but adding color to them can actually bring them to life. And it takes only 15 seconds to do with AI. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editing and graphic design tool. You have to just select the photo colorizer tool, and with a single drag and drop, you can turn a black and white photo into a colored one in an instant. It's crazy. To make more money, you can consider upselling additional services like photo restoration, in which you can repair the damages on the old photos and make things look new. You can even offer upscaling using the image upscaler tool. You can increase the resolution of an old photo and make it higher quality. As you can see, CapCut has a lot of AI tools. In fact, every AI side hustle I'll be telling today will only use CapCut. Photo colorization, there's a lot of competition, at least on Fiverr. So you can promote your services offline to retirement homes or funeral homes. Basically, you will have to get creative. Number 2, clothing model photos. When it comes to selling clothes, clothing brands often need photos of models wearing their products. With AI, you've got an entire army of models at your fingertips. With the CapCut for Business AI model tool, you can upload a photo of a piece of clothing and choose a model. Click generate, and in seconds, AI will apply your clothing onto that model. You can offer this service on Fiverr or directly to small clothing brands. Typically, a photo shoot with a model can range from hundreds of thousands of dollars. Although people may not pay the same amount for AI models, because I guess most clients choosing AI models have a limited budget. So you'll earn less, but with volume, the work could be worthwhile. Number 3, captioning. Videos nowadays features captions to increase accessibility and hold your short attention span. Therefore, caption is in big demand. On Fiverr, revenue can range from $10 to $60 per video. Captioning with AI is incredibly quick. After creating a video project on CapCut and placing a video onto the timeline, click captions, then auto captions, then immediately AI will caption the entire video for you. You can then review the captions to fix any errors, and you're good to export. Some opportunities to upsell include offering different fonts and styles, in and out animation, and translations in multiple languages. You can offer your captioning services by reaching out to potential clients. Look for some small to medium-sized content creators and podcasters, businesses that post webinars and interviews, and real estate agents that post real estate videos. Number 4, content repurposing. Many video creators need help repurposing their long-form content into short-form content, like TikToks and Instagram Reels, and will pay tens to hundreds of dollars per edit. Typically, repurposing video contents consists of 1. Adding captions, which we covered earlier, and 2. Resizing to fit the aspect ratio of each platform. In CapCut's online video editor, you can quickly switch between common social media aspect ratio. If you're purposing for TikTok, there's also a preview that you can use to make sure elements like captions aren't covered. Many creators will also want video effects and B-roll to be added on as well, so that's something else you could offer. A good starting point is to reach out to creators who make simple talking head interview or podcast videos. These videos are easy to repurpose, and many of these creators do need the help. Number 5, thumbnails. Another area you can help creators with is designing YouTube thumbnails. On Fiverr, people are charging up to $50 per thumbnail. You can design thumbnails using CapCut. There are a bunch of features to play with, from text to photos to stickers. To design a good thumbnail that would make people click on it, you need to do some research and analysis on what really makes a good thumbnail. To bring in clients, I suggest you to reach out to creators, big and small, as well as businesses with YouTube channels. Have a portfolio to present them, or even better examples personalized for them. If you can make it work, the sky is the limit. And these, my friends, were the 5 AI side hustles that you can start with in this year 2025. That's it for today. I have added the link for CapCut in the description box. Do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye. I will see you guys in the next one.